Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to discuss about two strategies which are very powerful strategies and more successful strategies which I teach for my students in my courses actually. Okay, these two strategies can be traded on the opening of the market. Why I am telling these two strategies at one video? Because you can observe either one of the thing in the 90% of the time in top 5 stocks only. Okay, whatever the stocks opens on the green, right? Top 5 to 6 stocks, you can see either one of these strategies. That is the reason I was giving these two strategies in the single video. Okay, before going into the video details, this is the standard disclaimer, please be mindful of it. Okay, these strategies will work on the Nifty, Bank Nifty, regardless of regardless of the market. Uh, it can work on the cash segment. It can work on the index. It can work on the F&O. It can works on the even for the commodities. Okay, I tested all the places before making this strategy. Okay. Uh, let's enter to the strategy. The bearish kicker strategy, what is it, how it works? Okay, this is the strategy number one. I'm going to see. Bearish kicker is a candlestick pattern which can be observed in the beginning of the market. Okay, this is the bearish kicker pattern. Remember guys, there will be a some flavors in it. Okay, that flavors can, you see, most of the time whatever we study in the book, it can be differ little bit here. Okay, in 90% of the time we can see candlestick like this is the first green candle, then you can see the red candle, or one small green candle you can see, then you can see the red candle, or it opens huge gap up. Okay, 7 percentage gap up, 6 to 7 percentage gap up, then it comes here as a green candle, then it falls. Okay, this is how the bearish kicker flavors of flavor 1, flavor 2, flavor 3. Okay, these are the three flavors we can see in the market. Beginning of the opening candles, actually opening two candles. How to find this bearish kicker stocks? Normally first candle is green candle, right? Okay, what I will see is by 5 minutes candle, keep the 5 minutes candle in one side. Okay, other side you can keep the 3 minutes candle. Okay, in the 3 minutes candle, if you see green candle, okay, red candle, it will start from the 3 minutes itself. You will be having the 2 more minutes of time to complete the first 5 minutes. By 9:20, get ready. Okay, by searching, have the watch list like this. Nifty 50 stocks you can have. Okay, you can scroll 1, 2, 3, 4 from the top gainers. You can scroll up to 15 stocks. You can scroll within 2 3 minutes. You can get 5 stocks. These 5 stocks can be added into the watch list, separate watch list, and then wait for further candles, further price action, and start initiating the trade. Here, the entry technique is going to be, okay, remember, if you see the first candle, green candle like this, okay, if you see the green candle like this, definitely the entry is here. Okay, next candle it comes here, then it falls, or one or two candles it goes, then immediately comes here, falls. Okay, the body close is the entry, stop loss is here. Okay, if you see the candle like this, okay, you can initiate here itself having the stop loss here. Okay, you have to practice this for few days so that you can understand what is the entry technique. Okay, the stop loss technique is, as I mentioned, right? Okay, body close you can take, day high is the stop loss. What is the target? The target will be the previous low. Okay, the previous low, not previous day low, previous low. Okay, It can be if the market opens in the gap up of 5 to 6 percentage. Okay, the previous, what is the previous low? Yesterday's high was the previous low. Sometimes if the market opens here itself and goes up and comes back, right? Okay, here somewhere in this area is the previous low. Okay, like this is the entry technique. Sometimes you have to, work on the risk part. Within this 5 to 10 stocks you are going to select, right, first few minutes. Okay, you have to work on the risk part, whichever having the very risk, okay, very low risk, you have to initiate, so that your risk reward will be more. Sometimes we will get 1 is to 1, sometimes we will get 1 is to 5 also, sometimes even bigger risk reward we will get it, because this is the bearish and you are trying to capture the momentum. This momentum will be very quickly it falls. Okay, what is the stock? Some examples. Okay, this is one of the Hindalco chart. 2 days before I observed this Hindalco, and also few more charts I am going to show you in the Nifty today. If you see, right, let me take you, this is the Adani Enterprises. Okay, if you see the Adani Enterprises, as I told, right, here, this is the entry area, this is the stop loss area. Okay, the pro tip is, whenever you see the market, steep market like this, okay, Adani Enterprises, yesterday also it was the behavior. Okay, steep market, you can see, the previous high nearby here. If you see this behavior, it can be the entry technique. Okay, this is the Ultratech cement. Here also you see the first candle is green candle, then followed by this. Okay, next NTPC also like this. Okay, you can take the entry and goes like this. Hindalco I showed you. Hindalco here, yesterday it was this one. I was teaching to my students. That's what the lines are there. Okay, the same thing I am giving you guys as well, so that you can practice this and make the your successful trading. This is one of the best strategy, the bearish kicker strategy. You can see first two three candles. Okay, definitely you will get the good entry. The second strategy is going to be the, okay, the breakout failure strategy. If we see the breakout failure strategy, this is the today Nifty chart. Okay, in the today Nifty chart, what happened was, this was the cup, right? Cup and handle. Okay, cup and handle breakout. Some pattern breakout was there. Okay, so don't try in the beginning of the market, by seeing the first candle. Okay, in case you feel like this is the good pattern and breakout is there, one day before itself by 3:20 you can initiate the trade by having the bull call, and by 9:30 you can exit the trade. Okay, that is one of the criteria. Here, wait for the retest. Okay, most of the time retest means definitely it is going to close the body close, right? It's supposed to touch the body close. That is the retest. Okay, the real retest, it comes here or here and goes up. Okay, if the retest is like this, don't enter. That is the fake retest. Okay, the retest is supposed to be in this area or here at least. Okay, if you see this kind of behavior, how to take the entry? Okay, how to do the markings at least? Okay, first this candle, what you have to do is, this candle you have to make the one horizontal line like this, one horizontal line. Next time after breaking down, market comes here, the moment comes here, you check the first price action inside candle, then you trigger the entry. This is going to be the target. Okay, what is the target? Previous low. Here it can be 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 1 sometimes. Okay, you have to manage this risk reward based on this candle movement, right? This strength of this candle, it is going to be the 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2. Sometimes if you hold with the patience, okay, it continues to go. Take after hitting your target, right, off exit or move the stop loss to the entry and hold the position to a longer time. You will get the good risk reward. Okay, so This is the breakout failure strategy. You can observe up to 9:45. Most of the time 9:45 you can observe. Okay, now this is the chart, Nifty chart. This breakout failure, right? Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to mark this as a failure area, because this is the green candle low. Okay, the moment it comes there, okay, initiate the trade. Let's go to the Nifty chart today, how I traded. Okay, this is the Nifty chart. Okay, this is the Nifty chart. Opened with the, this is the area breakout. Okay, breakout. Okay, let me cut this till this point. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to draw the line like here. Okay, this is my entry area actually. Okay, between this is the entry area. Further price action can be observed. Okay, let us see. Breakout failure, right? Breakout is failure. Now I am waiting for to come in this area. Market came into this area. Okay, what is the time now? Okay, if you see, this is the 10 o'clock. We see the red candle, that is also inside candle. Immediately next candle we are going to initiate the trade. Next candle after finishing this 10 to 10 5. Okay, 10 6, 10 6 or 10 4, even 10 4 or beginning of this candle itself you can confidently trade. Okay, I am the one always little bit aggressive. I initiate the trade exactly on the reversal point with the timestamp. Okay, now what is the target? This is going to be the target. Previous low in this, here or here. Okay, here in this area is going to be the target. From here to here there was a 60 to 70 points move, from which 30 points, 25 to 30 points you can capture in the options. That easiest, right? Okay, by having the 10 to 15 points as the stop loss. Okay, so this is how we can use this strategy. Okay, coming to the my entry details, right? You always feels like, okay, the strategies are you know for discussing and for making the YouTube videos, it is very easy. So many people makes the lot of strategies. uh, I don't criticize anybody, because everybody having their own representation and their own way of trading. Okay, this is one of my two best strategies I use in the beginning of the market. If I am free and wanted to start from the first candle itself, I will try to use these strategies. Especially these strategies I use on the expiry days. Actually, expiry days, nifty premiums are very less sometimes. In that case I will go with the stocks, F&O stocks. I trade this strategy. Okay, today my entry was, as I mentioned, 10.5, right? Okay, my entry was at 10.4. My entry was at 10.4, 135. My stop loss was 147. Okay, 135 to 147. There is a 12 points gap. Okay, my target is 1 is to 2, 24 points is my target. That's what I executed my trade so accurately. Okay, successfully traded, made the 24 points. Okay, here I sold, here I bought, in between I got the 24 points by using this strategy today. Okay, on April 29th. April 29th. This I already made short video as well. Okay, you can check this. Okay, this is how 1:2 risk reward trades we can make by using this two strategies. These two strategies are having more successful. Only the challenging thing here is you need to figure out the stocks within 3 minutes or within 5 minutes. Okay, by scrolling top 5 to top 15 stocks, by scrolling top 15 stocks, right? One or two stocks definitely you will find. Okay, add those to the watch list and start picking it. Okay, and also Here the one more way of trading this is, most of the time this kind of stocks, especially this bearish kicker stocks, especially, okay, uh, opens with the 6 to 7 percentage gap up most of the time. This was the SBI life, okay, opened with the 7 percentage gap yesterday, okay, opened with the 7 percentage gap, started falling, okay. How much risk? This is the risk, this is the reward, okay. We can hold till this point, till this point. This was the SBI life. I tried to attempt the trade here, but my entry is not triggered. I put option at 60 rupees, but the day high was 60, 64 or 65. I put at 60, but my entry is not triggered, okay, because it is very fast, right? My entry was not triggered, so I gave up this actually, okay. So this is how these strategies you can practice it first, okay. Try to practice for at least some paper trade you can do a few days, okay, and calculate your risk, try to make the real trades, okay. That's all, friends. um, Thank you for watching my videos, okay. If you feel this is really good, useful for you, please share, like and subscribe for my channel, and also press the like button. In case if you are having any questions regarding to this strategy, and also feel free to contact me. And also if you find any stocks, right, in the morning, okay, first few days, in case you wanted to practice this, you required some help, okay, be in touch. uh, I will help you for entry and taking this, okay, just for few days only, okay. How you can contact me? You join in my Telegram channel, where you can message me, so that sir, this is the stock I identified, I am taking the entry, so that I can also monitor and help you. Just practice it for some time, okay. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you.